Hey guys, Dusty back here with Blind-Droid Tech, and this is episode 4 of the Android app accessibility demonstration. And this episode is going to show you
Get There, Pixel Launcher.
all about the Get
Actions,
There
remove,
app.
uninstall.
Alright, so here we go.
Get There, main screen, Get There.
So we're at the Get There main screen, and you've got
Where am I button.
Where am I?
Double setup button.
Setup,
Double navigation button.
navigation,
Exit button.
and exit.
Double tap to act.
So
Where
if
am I?
we
Setup
go
button.
into setup, you've got
Maps button. Get
maps,
there. Setup. Settings button.
settings,
Settings button. Return to main screen
and
button.
return to main
Double
screen.
tap to activate.
So if we take a look at the settings really quick,
Settings button. During enable shake for navigational guidance, switch enabled.
then
Double
you
tap
can
to activate.
enable the shake to
During enable shake for navigational guidance, switch
for
enabled.
navigational
Double
guidance.
tap to activate. Describe nearby address during navigation, switch enabled.
Then
Double
you can
tap to
choose
activate.
whether or not you want it to give you a description of the addresses as you're navigating.
Enable shake to tell where you are, switch enabled. Describe nearby address when not navigating, switch disabled. Describe nearby places when not navigating, switch disabled. Distance units British Imperial. Language, use system language. Download site B. TTS engine. Button, unlabeled, out of list.
Alright, so you got quite a few different options you could choose from, and you can kind of play with it to see what works best for you and your needs.
Describe, enable shake for navigate, Get There, settings.
Alright, so I have to go back. Okay,
Maps button, Get There, setup menu.
so
Double tap
maps.
to activate. Settings button, Maps
So
button.
if we go into maps,
Download a map button, Get There, cancel download button. Choose a map button. Delete a map button. Check for updated maps button. Return to main screen button.
so you've
Double tap
got
to
several
activate.
different options you could choose from there. So if we go into
Choose a map button.
choose a map,
Choose a map from the list. Current. Cancel. Exit without selecting a U.S. Nebraska. U.S. New York. Double tap
so
to
we got
activate.
two already. So if we go into
Download a map button.
download a map,
App cancel. Exit without downloading a map.
alright, so this is
Double
the
tap to
top.
activate. Africa. Double tap to
Choose
activate.
Africa,
Asia.
Asia,
Double tap to activate. Europe.
Europe,
Latin America. Double
Latin
tap to
America,
activate. North America.
North
Oceania.
America, and
Double
Oceania.
tap to activate. North America.
So if we go into North America, you got
Cancel. Exit without Canada, Alberta. Canada, British Columbia. Canada, Manitoba. Canada, New Brunswick. Canada, Newfoundland. Canada, Northwest Canada, Nova Scotia.
so you've got all sorts
Princeton,
of
Canada, Saskatchewan. Canada, Yukon. U.S. Alabama. U.S. Arizona. U.S. Arkansas. U.S. Arizona.
So let's
Double tap to
say
activate.
you want to do
U.S. Georgia. U.S. Hawaii. U.S. Idaho. U.S. Illinois. U.S. Indiana. U.S. Iowa.
so let's do
Would you
Iowa.
like to put the map file on the removable memory card?
And then you could choose whether or not you wanted to put the map on the SD card or on the internal storage. Right now, we're going to go ahead and do the internal storage, but you've got the top half of your screen and the bottom half of your screen
Would you
are
like to put the map file on the removable memory
divided
card?
into two different buttons. So
Yes
top
button.
half you got
Double
yes,
tap no button.
bottom half you got
Double tap
no.
to
So we're
activate.
going to hit no.
Starting to download map of U.S. Iowa. During the download, you can tap on the download map button to track the progress of the download.
Alright, so it says once it starts downloading, you can use the
Download a map button. Get there.
download the
Maps
map
menu.
button.
The download of the map of U.S. Iowa is 14% complete.
14% complete for Iowa.
Download a map button. The download of the map of U.S. Iowa is 43% complete.
So we're already about halfway there, so it'll only take another minute or so. And then again, once it's done,
Cancel download button.
so you can choose
Double
to
tap to
cancel
activate.
it,
Choose a map button.
choose a map,
Delete a map button.
delete
Double
one,
check for updated maps button.
and
double
then
tap to
if you've
activate.
had your maps installed for a while, you can check to see if there are any updates to the map.
Download a map button.
Alright, so the map is done downloading. Not sure why I didn't
Choose a
hear
map
the
button.
noise. So if we go into choose a map,
Cancel. Exit without U.S. Iowa. U.S. Nebraska. U.S. New York.
now I got
Double-
3 different maps. Alright, so that's how you do that. And then
Home button. Return to main screen.
you can go to the main screen.
Where am I button? Get
And then
there.
if
Main
I
screen.
were to hit the main,
Double tap to
where am I?
You are on Francis Street between South 48th Avenue and South 49th Street.
See, so it'll tell me I'm between 48th Ave and 49th Street. Apparently, I'm like halfway in between the two streets. That's not entirely correct, but it's not always 100% accurate. So,
Where am I button? Setup button. Navigation button.
so if we take a
Double
quick
tap to
look through
activate.
the navigation area,
Places button. Get there. Directions button. Double tap to activate. Alarms button. Double tap to activate. Return to main screen button. Alarm direct places button.
so if we go to places,
Create a place button. Get there. List of all your places button. Write places to a file button. Read places from a file button. Return to main screen button.
so you've
Double
got a
tap
few
to
different
activate.
options. You can create a place depending on where you're at. So if you're at Walgreens or a local store by your house or something like that, you can create the place.
Create a place button. Would you like to create a place at your current location as established by GPS? No button. What is the address or a well-known name for the place? Tap on the top half of the screen to use keyboard. Tap on the bottom half of the screen to speak.
So it gives you some voice guidance on what's on your screen to choose from. So the top half of the screen I would click in order to get the keyboard, and then the bottom half would be for the type to speak.
Tap here to use keyboard
Tap
button.
to speak, I'm sorry.
Double tap to activate.
So keyboard,
Tap here to speak button. Double tap to activate. No place was created. Write places to a list of all your places button.
then here,
Cancel. Click here to exit. Home. You are 23 feet northwest of home. Double tap to activate.
you're 23 feet northwest of home. So that's very cool that it'll tell you how far away you are and all that.
Read places from a file button.
And then if you're going to back it up, you can choose to write your places to a file and then save it. And then if you want, if you have to get a new phone or if you got had to do a factory reset or whatever, you can choose the read from file and it'll actually record it back into the app for you.
Alarms button. Get there. Navigation. Set an alarm button. Get there. Cancel an alarm button. Set an alarm. Cancel. Click here to home. Double tap
So
to
you
activate.
can have it set an alarm when you've reached the destination that you're looking for. And then you can have it cancel an already created alarm.
Directions button. Get there. Navigation menu. Alarms button. Double tap to active. Return to main. Alarm directions button. Review directions button. Get direction. Review direction. Stop navigation button. Return to main screen button. Stop navigation but review directions button. Get directions button. You have only one place defined. Would you like to get directions from your current location to that place?
Alright, so
No,
we're going to go ahead and go back.
Stop navigation button.
I'm
We
gonna
weren't
go ahead and
navigating
stop
anywhere.
Navigating.
Review directions button.
And then
Directions button. Get there. Navigation place. Where am I button? Get there. Main screen. Exit button.
Alright
Double tap
guys,
to activate,
so
double tap and
that
hold to
was
long
the
press.
Get There app in a nutshell. Once I have a chance to get out and about with the phone and I'm not in a big hurry, I can go ahead and take a look at this app and do a little bit of out on the field testing. But overall, this is just an introduction to the app and showing you what it's like, how it works, what it does, and how you can get to the different settings and features within the app. So, again, guys, this is Android Accessibility App Demonstration Episode 4, Get There app. Alright, and it's another navigation type app, like Google Maps and whatnot, but this is specifically designed for the blind and visually impaired in mind. Although, the sighted can use it too if you so choose. It's completely up to you. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anybody who may find it useful, and of course, subscribe for more content like this. Till then, this has been Dusty back with Blind-Droid Tech, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.